Hi Bharatiyam members, welcome to all once again to our spoken English classes. So in the last class, I suggested you all to gain mastery over your mother tongue. So today, let me give you one example from my personal life. Yesterday, I introduced myself as the son of Narayana Charjulu Garu from Rajamahendravaram, who worked as English lecturer in Women's College. So he gained mastery over his mother tongue, and he is not only proficient in mother tongue but also he gained proficiency in English language, and so he wrote many books in Telugu. He even translated Chinnajiyar Swamiji's Bhagavad Gita Upanyasams into Telugu. So, how popular he is as an English lecturer, he is so popular as a Telugu writer. So, how he got the command over English language? So, I personally believe that he loved his mother tongue. And today, we are going to learn some tips how to improve our vocabulary and how to improve our spoken ability. So, my dear friends, so it may be a suggestion from me. So as per the English scholars, they suggest that if you want to improve your language, you should develop 4 skills, L, S or W. They suggest like that. First one is listening. First of all, you should develop the habit of listening. So what others are speaking, suppose I'm talking with you and you're talking with your friend, or else you're talking with me. So while you're talking with others or others are talking with you, you simply observe, you simply concentrate the accent, the intonations, the diphthongs, and where they are stressing the word and where they are raising their tone. So all these things you have to observe while learning English. A good observer will be a good speaker. So don't forget, you observe lot of things from your surroundings. So nowadays it is very easy for the students to learn many things from their surroundings. Today we are living in a technological world, digital world. So many opportunities are available to you. Even while seeing the movies, you may see the Telugu movies. But even while watching the Telugu movies also, you observe the subtitles given under the movie. So scrolled below the movie. So for a particular Telugu word, you can get a particular or a definite English or sufficient English vocabulary. So that is one idea. And children love cartoon channels. So you observe the cartoon channels which are telecasted in English language, or else which are with the subtitles. So this is one way. Or listen to the commentary, cricket commentary. We all love cricket and we all see the cricket matches, and while you are seeing the cricket matches, you keep your ear on the commentary side also. So generally most of the cricket commentaries will be in present tense. So in the next class, in the coming classes, we can learn about the tenses also. So what are tenses? What is the importance of the tense in English language? So let us see about them in the next video. But you concentrate on the tenses while listening to the commentary. And next, listening. Next, speaking. So speaking comes under practice. Practice makes man perfect. Yesterday I told you. So you speak more and more. So you create or you imagine yourself a scene, and you are playing with your friend, you are playing with your brother, and you try to analyze the situations and try to speak as much as you can. See, my dear friend, now I am bowling and you are batting, I am running, now I am throwing the ball. So like that you create your own sentences, demonstrative pronouns, this, that, this is a phone, this is a shirt, this is my nose, these are my ears, these are my eyes. Like that you create a situation of your own, so others may look at you as a fool. Say, what this fellow for everything is trying to talk in English. but let them think. Don't think about this world. You want to develop, you want to improve. So that's all. While you are developing your speaking abilities, you are allowing and you are making others also to speak along with you. So that's a good idea. You can develop and you can make others to develop. So this is our Indian tradition. We should not develop alone. We should develop with the others' development. Okay, these are the two skills we are learning. And one thing, while talking about listening, I want to say one example from our Puranas, from our mythological stories. We learn about Prahlada. Prahlada first developed the listening skills, and while he came to this world, when he came to this world, he directly chanted many things about Sriman Narayana. That means when he was in his mother's womb itself, he learned many things. He listened Narada Sutras. So that's why he became a great devotee. And if you start learning, so this is a small example from our mythologies. So if you start learning how to learn, how to listen and practice how to speak, definitely English will be on your tongue. Okay? So tomorrow I will explain you about two more other skills what our elders told us. Okay? So today you imagine yourself or you create your own situation, you talk with your parents. So English is not at all a difficult language for our present generation, because most of the students are studying in English medium schools. Right from the birth you are introduced to your English language, just like our mother tongue. Today, how fluent we are with our mother tongue, how much we are introduced to the mother tongue, so much we are introduced to our English language also, in one way more than our Telugu. Bus, it is an English word. Train, so rail, so all these are English words. So we are introduced to this English language right from the beginning. So create your situation while playing, while watching the movies, or while talking with your friends. Own imaginations should come from your mind, and you try to reproduce them, translate them in your mother tongue. Okay? So I hope you follow this exercise, and by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you try to present yourself with as many examples as you can. So English should be learned, should be taught only through your personal experience. Unless and until you feel that it is essential for you, a person cannot learn any language. If I feel that Telugu is very important for me, I learn Telugu. If I think that English is very essential for me, I learn English. So that is why our elders say that necessity is the mother of invention. And my dear members of this group, you create your own necessity and you create your own situations and try to speak in English. Okay? So we shall meet in the next class with some more tips, and slowly we should enter the world of English. So all the best. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. Stay at home and be safe. Bye bye.